So guys, let's see one more example that deals with the chaining, JSP chaining by using response.sendRedirect. Last time we have seen just last example we have seen about uh, within the web application to source and destination are resides within the web application. But now I wish to try by using source and destination are resides in the different web applications. Okay. So I have search.jsp, input.html, web.INF, and web.xml file. So on my browser window, once I give the request, input.html will be loaded. So in my input.html, I'll write the query. What is the query you want to search? Suppose I entered here Marathi history, and when I click on search button, the request goes to source.jsp or search.jsp. Then what is the beginning logic I written here that will execute, and followed by I have mentioned response.sendRedirect https://www.google.com/search is a parameter. Okay, question mark q. Then next, what is the query I mentioned here? Marathi history will be appended here. Okay, and followed by remaining logic. So in this case, once I click on search, request come to my web application. So, search.jsp will be executed, and response goes to browser window. Again, one more request will be generated for response.sendRedirect, because redirections, one chain will complete and second chain will start for the requester, and request goes to my www.google.com/search with the appending query string parameter name and the values as a Marathi history. Then query will go here to the search engine, google.com search engine. What is the logic that is written in the search engine will execute, and finally I'll get the response. Okay, fine. So this web application we shall see now. So first let me create input.html file, new HTML. Fine. My favorite is what? Keep everything in center. I kept it. Fine. Now next up, let me add some messages. What? My search engine. Okay, my search engine. Break tag. Let me add break tag and let me give here one horizontal row. Now here let me add form tag. Okay, either you can use get or post, up to your wish. If you want to see the query string and the request attribute, use get. If you want to hide, you can use post. Okay, actually what I wish to send to search.jsp, search.jsp, and here I need a field called I need a field called text box, and here I will add what? Search. Okay, enter the search string, enter the search string or query. Whatever you want to, whatever the message you want to give, you can give the message. And here you can add the name called, suppose this is the what? Search, na? So text box search, text box search. Either you add slash or don't add, it's self closing. Fine. Next I need a but I need button, so I will add the button. Button is of type submit. Okay, value, what do you want to add? I want to add the value search. Okay, search, added search. Fine, just save this. I think I have created this. No, I have not created it. So just copy the context root name and create a directory into the web apps folder. Okay, new folder created. Fine. Under this, under Tomcat 10 web apps 15 chain response generate, create one more directory with the name called web-inf. Okay, fine. Now beside the web-inf, I'll save this input.html. So just see how it looks. Okay, fine. And file, save, give the name, go to the Apache Tomcat web apps 15th, and save here. Input, save. Do you want to add HTML extension automatically? Yes. Now it's a time to create what? My search.jsp. Okay. File, new, others, JSP. Okay. Fine. Now here I don't need anything extra. Just directly I will read this query string parameter. Okay. I'll read this query string parameter and I'll forward the request by using send redirect. I'll perform redirection operations. So this is my scriptlet tag. First read what? Read the form data. Read the form data. So to read the form data, I need to take the help of implicit object. That is request dot get parameter. Get parameter. What is the parameter is coming? What is the parameter name is coming in, along with my form tag? That is T search. Text box search. Okay. And just hold into string string what? Give any name. Search. Okay. Search. Fine. And next just send this perform redirections. Redirect the request to, let me use this URL. Let me use this URL to Google. Okay. To Google. To google.com search engine. Search engine web resource program. Okay, fine. Response dot send redirect. Now I will append this query. Control C. Okay. Plus I'll get this what? Search. Done. Done. Just test the web application. That's it. https://www.google.com/search?q. Okay. Done. Just save it. Where will you save? Web 15 chain send response send it beside to web-INF beside to input. So I'll use the name called search.jsp. Input.html give the request to search.jsp. Search.jsp performs response.send redirection operation. Okay. Now it's a time to test the application now. So before going to test, let me add empty. Either you add or not to add, not mandatory. Last time we are not added, right? So why to break the habit? Web-app. Done. Save within the web-INF web.xml. Your application will be reloaded automatically. I think it is done. So what I'll do, I'll minimize. I'll start my I'll refresh, continue. So where is my 15th? Okay, I will give the request in this way, 15th, and you can configure input.html as a welcome page, but here I am not configured. This is my query. So Marathi history. I got the output. I got the response from the Google. So maybe or I can call, what should I search? Indus Valley. Indus Valley. District Indus Valley Civilization. Right? Right? Fine, guys. Clear? Means my JSP program can able to perform. Even if you wish to try, you can try by using. You can keep before SOP, after SOP. They both will get execute. They both will get execute. बघा किती स्मॉल ऍप्लिकेशन आहे का स्मॉल काय याच्यामध्ये एवढं सोपं काम असतं बॅकएंड डेव्हलपरचं. Fine, guys. So I hope this task has been completed. Okay. Okay, guys. Fine. So what shall we see next? This is done. So test the web application. Test the web application. How do you test? Ah, Baba. Hold on. Yeah. Getla. Gala. Next. Done. Hmm? Next. Done. It's a destination nice आहे अगोदरचा का बरं लिहून नाही घेतली का की मागा चिटचाट कर बसा बेटा हा ठीक आहे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हाउ टू पास द डेटा और values between source web resource program or source JSP program, source JSP program and destination source JSP program and destination JSP program. Okay, boss. Fine. Let's see program. We shall see one more question. How can I able to perform this operation? And then we shall see about one more example of application.